2014 Topps Premier Gold. One box break. That's DBB. Soccer DBB number 241. Feel like, well, it still has the price tag on it. Na, kann man sehen? 189. Wow. Jetzt kann man sehen, dass es aus dem Card-Shop ist, die Preise noch so da dran haben. Ich glaube, die Box hier kommt sogar aus Kanada. Ich habe es aus Kanada bestellt. Die und noch eine 2015er. Ich habe alle Reste aufgekauft. Alright guys, last box I have of 2014. I'm trying to get a case, but not sure if I can drop the price on that. That is really pricey. It would be the first full case I can get of this, so. Alright, here we go guys, good luck. EPL 2014. Pack number 1. Give us some mojos here. Oh, case hit auto, guys. Wow. Case hit auto coming. Wow. Congrats to one lucky guy. Come on, give us a... Oh, is DeVore still here? Is DeVore, you here? Maybe we can get a... Frank Lampard. That is new signings. Mangala. Is that the black? No, the regular one. Autograph. Mal Jedinak for the for Crystal Palace. Mal Jedinak. Where's the war when we need him? He wanted the case hit auto, so here is his chance. Let's see. Next up base, we got captains. Hill, Queen's Park Rangers. Wow, first hit of Queen's Park. Alright, here we go. What is it? Who's FD? FD is... FD? I have no clue. Fabian Delph for... Aston Villa, and that is DeVore again. Wow, Aston Villa killing this break. Oh, that's a very thick one. Try that at the end. Good base. Got green. Stoke Shawcross, numbered to 60, I guess. Yep, 35 of 60. Shawcross. We got Future Stars, Danny Ings for Burnley. Wow, now at Liverpool. And SS is Scott Sinclair. No, Steve Sidwell. And that is a patch, 2-color patch for Stoke. But not numbered, so 2014 had some multicolor regular jerseys as well. Oh, another thick one. Thick one could be jersey autograph or patch autograph. I wouldn't mind that. Alright, here we go. Come on, give it something sick. Future Stars is John Stones. Wow, really a future star. And, oh, Tom Huddleston, orange autograph 211. 7 of 11. Congrats to Hull owner Hector. There you go, Hector. Nice one. Tom Huddleston. Okay, ist nicht der beste, aber Autograph 211, so not bad. Let me grab a different holder for that. It's a bit thicker. That's better. Tom Huddleston, 211. Very nice to try one fatty here. Base. We have black to 25. Wow, Mark Noble for West Ham. 9 of 25. West Ham. Wow, is that Stefan Malnisch West Ham? Komm, eine Lohnnummerkarte. Congrats to Thorsten. We got new signings, Falcao. And jersey. Is it Jack? Oh, nice. Jack Wilshere for Arsenal. Come on, give me a patch. No patch. Too bad. Jack is the best. Alright, next pack, guys. We still had a case at auto. Hope that is a sick one. We deserved it. Black again. And that is Ulloa for Leicester City to 25. Again, that is 23 of 25 going out to Hector. We have James Ward-Prowse, and the hit is Diego Costa for Chelsea. That's Adrian. Nice jersey for Chelsea, Diego Costa. Nice one. We got base. We have captains. John Terry for Chelsea. Let me see, is that numbered? No, not numbered. Autograph is Jack Colback again. Last box we had him too. This is the regular. So even if it looks black, but that is the regular auto. Jack Colback for Newcastle and Gary. Got the base. Purple. Is it purple? Yeah, purple. Going out to Manchester City. Edin Dzeko. Nice. Number to 50. We have Mark Muniesa for Stoke, Future Stars, and numbered or not? No, but it is Mesut Özil. Wow, nice Arsenal box. But it's just a regular jersey. That would have been nice, alright? Alright, last pack before we move to the killer pack, case hit pack. We got purple for Manchester United, Deli Blind, number to 50. Then we got Natasic for Manchester City, and that is to 60. And last hit of the break, Andre Wisdom, and that is going out to West Bromwich Albion, and West Brom is Thorsten. Alright, big case hit auto. Come on, please. A really sick one. First up, purple. Jose Fonte for Southampton. That should be number 2. I'm not sure. We'll see. Alright, guys. Good luck. I have a feeling this is going out to Chelsea, maybe. Here's a crown. It is, wow, it is Chelsea. Wow. Who is it? Drogba? Diego Costa. What is number 2? To 50. Case hit auto, Diego Costa. Adrian, talking about not having no luck, right? Congrats. Nice break for you for 1 box. Let's check the condition. Maybe it's a little, it's not dinged, but has a little, it's not hard to see. You can't see it if you only see it if you look very close. Diego Costa for Chelsea. Very nice, number to 50. Straight for the PC. Congrats to Adrian. Alright guys, that does it for this break. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.